Have you ever found yourself at a loss for words in social situations, desperately wishing you had the superpower to strike up a captivating conversation with anyone? Well, worry no more. In this guide, we're diving into the world of psychology to uncover 11 mind-blowing tips that will transform you into a master conversationalist. Whether you're mingling at a party, networking at a professional event, or simply trying to make new friends, these psychological hacks will equip you with the skills to talk to anyone like a seasoned pro. So, grab a pen, get ready to take some notes, and prepare to unlock the secrets of effortless and engaging communication. Number 10. The power of compliments. When it comes to connecting with others, a well-placed compliment can work wonders. Complimenting is like sprinkling a little bit of glitter into the conversation. It makes everything seem sparkly, shimmery, and beautiful. Think about it. Doesn't it feel good when someone genuinely appreciates something about you? It does, right? Well, why can't we spread that positivity through our interactions? But here's the catch. Try to make your compliments specific and authentic. Instead of a generic, "you look nice," try something like, "that color really suits you. It brings out the warmth in your eyes." Not only does it make the other person feel good, but it shows that you're attentive and observant. Research suggests that receiving compliments triggers the release of dopamine, a feel-good hormone associated with reward and pleasure. It creates a positive association with you, making the conversation more enjoyable and memorable. But remember, keep it genuine. People can tell when a compliment is insincere. Number 9. Mirroring and matching. Have you ever heard of the saying, "monkey see, monkey do"? Well, it turns out that mirroring and matching the body language and speech patterns of the person you're talking to can create a subconscious sense of connection. Mirroring involves subtly mimicking the other person's body language, gestures, and even their speech patterns. If they cross their legs, you can do the same. If they use certain phrases or a particular tone, you can follow suit. It creates a sense of familiarity and rapport, as if you're on the same wavelength. But do not go overboard and turn into a mirror image. The key is to be subtle and natural. Studies show that mirroring and matching can enhance social bonding and increase liking between individuals. It's a nonverbal way of saying, "Hey, we're similar and I understand you." Number 8. The curiosity gap. Curiosity killed the cat, but it can do wonders for your conversations. Tap into the curiosity gap by offering intriguing statements or teasing tidbits that pique the other person's interest. Imagine dropping a juicy hint about something and watching the other person's curiosity peak. That's the magic of the curiosity gap. Humans have an inherent desire to fill in gaps in their knowledge, and you can use this to your advantage in conversations. Instead of revealing everything up front, offer a captivating statement or a tantalizing snippet of information. It could be a fascinating fact, an interesting experience, or a puzzle they can't resist solving. By creating a sense of curiosity, you invite the other person to ask questions and engage further. So, next time you're chatting, leave a little mystery in the air and watch as the curiosity gap works its magic. Number 7. The power of storytelling. Do you wish to captivate your friends with your conversation skills? Try the age-old art of storytelling. Stories have a unique ability to draw people in, evoke emotions, and create lasting memories. Whether you're sharing a personal experience, an interesting anecdote, or a fascinating piece of trivia, storytelling injects life into your conversations. Research has shown that storytelling engages multiple areas of the brain, making it a powerful tool for communication. When you tell a story, you activate the listener's imagination and create a shared experience. It's like taking them on a mini adventure right there in the conversation. To master the art of storytelling, focus on the key elements: a captivating beginning, a compelling narrative arc, and a memorable conclusion. Use vivid descriptions, incorporate dialogue, and infuse your stories with humor or emotion. By becoming a skilled storyteller, you'll effortlessly captivate your audience and leave a lasting impression. Number 6. The spotlight effect. Remember that time you spilled coffee on your shirt and you were convinced everyone was staring? Well, they probably weren't, and it was your wicked mind at play. Yes, there's this psychological phenomenon known as the spotlight effect. This effect refers to our tendency to overestimate how much others notice or care about our actions or appearance. Knowing about the spotlight effect can be liberating in conversations. It reminds us that people are often more focused on themselves than on scrutinizing every move we make. So let go of self-consciousness and embrace the freedom to express yourself authentically. When you approach conversations with the awareness that others are likely too busy worrying about their own spotlight, it lightens the pressure. It allows you to be present, engage fully, and truly connect with the person you're talking to. Remember, you're not the center of attention. You're simply sharing an experience and enjoying a conversation. Number 5. The principle of reciprocity. What goes around comes around? Well, it holds true in conversations too. The principle of reciprocity suggests that when you do something kind or helpful for someone, they feel compelled to return the favor. During your conversations, look for opportunities to offer assistance, share resources, or lend a helping hand. It can be as simple as recommending a book, sharing a helpful article, or lending a listening ear when someone needs to vent. By showing genuine care and offering support, you create a positive bond and set the stage for reciprocal interactions. Research has shown that reciprocity is deeply ingrained in human nature. When someone feels indebted to you, they are more likely to engage further, open up, and invest in the conversation. So embrace the principle of reciprocity and watch as your interactions flourish with mutual kindness and connection. Number 4. The fascination of uncommon interests. Uncommon interests make for catchy conversations. Whether you're an expert in vintage video games, a connoisseur of obscene music, or a seasoned traveler with fascinating stories, share your passions confidently. Discussing uncommon interests leads to more enjoyable and memorable conversations. A great trick to engage your audience is also to delve into your hobbies, unique experiences, or obscure knowledge and share them confidently. These unexpected topics act as conversation magnets, drawing others in and creating an exciting exchange of ideas and perspectives. Number 3. The power of silence. Shocking, but true. Silence can be a powerful tool in conversation. While it may feel awkward at times, embracing comfortable pauses allows both of you and the other person to reflect, process thoughts, and respond more thoughtfully. Don't rush to fill every moment with words. Give the conversation space to breathe and allow for natural breaks. Research suggests that well-placed silences can improve communication and encourage deeper engagement. By embracing silence, you show respect for the other person's thoughts and provide them with the opportunity to share their ideas fully. So, the next time there's a lull in the conversation, resist the urge to fill it immediately. Embrace the power of silence and let the conversation unfold at its own pace. Number 2. The playful challenge. Imagine you're in the midst of a conversation and suddenly a spark ignites. A gentle disagreement arises, but instead of tension, there's a surge of excitement in the air. In the art of communication, adding a touch of friendly competition can work wonders. It's like sprinkling a pinch of spice into a dish. It adds that extra kick that leaves you craving for more. When you playfully disagree or dive into a light-hearted debate, you open the doors to a realm of intellectual stimulation where ideas collide and minds ignite. But did you know that there's science behind this phenomenon? Research has shown that engaging in friendly competition triggers the release of endorphins, the magical molecules that light up our brain's pleasure centers. As a result, your mood receives a boost and a deep sense of connection flourishes. It's like a joyous dance between your neurons, forging a stronger bond between you and your conversation partner. So, don't be afraid to express your viewpoint and challenge the perspectives of others. Remember, the goal isn't to win the argument, but to nurture a positive and respectful atmosphere that encourages the free flow of ideas. Number 1. Authenticity wins hearts. In a world where connections often feel fleeting and superficial, the secret to deep and meaningful relationships lies in authenticity. Yes, you heard it right. Being true to yourself is the ultimate ingredient that draws people irresistibly towards you. Countless studies have revealed the impact of authenticity on our social bonds. When you embrace your authentic self and let your true colors shine, you create an enchanting aura that attracts people like moths to a flame. Because authenticity breeds trust and cultivates stronger connections. Imagine stepping into a conversation where you feel free to express your genuine thoughts without fear or judgment. By being confidently yourself, you create a warm and inviting space that puts others at ease and encourages them to reveal their true selves too. So don't be afraid to flaunt your quirks and wear your heart on your sleeve. When you peel away the layers of masks and pretenses, you invite others to do the same. Engaging in profound conversations and sharing life experiences becomes effortless and immensely rewarding. Congratulations! You've now discovered fascinating psychological tips to enhance your conversational skills. As you continue your journey to becoming a master communicator, remember to apply these tips with intention and adapt them to different situations and individuals. Remember, every conversation is an opportunity for growth, connection, and discovery. So go forth armed with these psychological insights and enjoy the magic of engaging conversations. Keep practicing, stay curious, and savor the wonders of human interaction. Now, if you've made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.